It's an art battle royale to the death. Who's gonna stand up on top as the victor? Hello and welcome to another Naughty Egg Draw. I'm your lovely host Jake, and as you guys saw, we are doing a comparison between the two subscription boxes, ScrawlrBox and Sketchbox. I have done individual reviews on both of these products, so if you want to watch that one before you watch this video, click on the link in the description. But without any further stalling, how about we start this battle? So I want to start off by saying that I'm not picking the winner based on which image turned out better, since in both cases I'm not using the proper paper that these materials are made for. Now saying that, the reason I picked these two boxes out of the four to go against each other was because they had very similar materials in them, and I felt I could make very similar drawings using them. I will say that I made this drawing that I'm coloring in before I actually knew what was in these boxes, and if I would have known that the Sketchbox watercolor pencils were very monochromatic, I probably would have done something a little bit different for the drawing. So as far as comparing the two go, they both seem to provide very good quality materials that seem to sit in a little bit more of a mid-professional level of materials. They're great for a jumping point for someone who gets these materials and it's the first time they're ever using something like it. They both cost about the same if you add shipping to them. The Sketchbox is about $30 for the standard box with shipping, and then with the ScrawlrBox, being a European company and me living in America, the total came out to about $25 or so after shipping. So price-wise, they are very comparable. Depending on where you live, I am sure the numbers can skew just a little bit compared to what I paid. So I accumulated about 5 months worth of each of these boxes, and one thing I noticed with the Sketchbox is they tend to send a little bit more products that push towards painting and loose inks and things like that, as where the ScrawlrBox has a lot more items that seem to be more on the drawing and sketching side. So that is something to keep in mind when you're looking into trying one of these boxes. One cool thing that I liked about ScrawlrBox is that they give you a little piece of candy in each box, and I like me some candy, so that was definitely a plus. Now I did color these in fairly quickly, but I feel I was able to give a decent representation of each of the products. Now I love these materials and I really want to try them down the road on the proper paper that they're made for, but let's see how both of them turned out in the end, and make sure you stay till the very end to see who I chose as the winner in my eyes. Alright everyone, that is it. The winner between the two products goes to... Wait, drum roll. Drum roll. There we go. And the winner of the two products goes to... Sketchbox. Now the main reason I went with Sketchbox as the winner between these two for myself personally is because of the variety of different stuff that you get with Sketchbox. Because the difference in sizes of boxes, I feel like with Sketchbox being the larger of the two boxes, you seem to get a little bit more of a variety of things like paints and whatnot. And with the ScrawlrBox being a lot smaller, it seems like a lot of the stuff you get is very sketch based. Now saying that, I did love both of these products, but I feel like if I'm getting one of these subscription boxes, it's to really push myself each month to do something different. With the ScrawlrBox being a lot of drawing and sketch based things, I feel like I really wouldn't be pushing myself from what I normally do on a regular basis. But with the Sketchbox, you get a lot more paints and things like that, and I don't use that kind of stuff every day anymore, so it's kind of nice to get that to really push myself to do something different each time. So in final, if you're someone who's thinking about getting subscription boxes, and you're someone who likes to do a lot of sketching and drawing and you want to just get new goodies for that kind of stuff, I think ScrawlrBox is going to be the box you're going to want to go for. But if you're someone who really wants to push yourself and try different things every month, I feel like Sketchbox is going to be the box you're going to want to go with. But that is it, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you haven't yet, make sure you smack that sub button and hit that little bell button so you guys know when I'm posting these videos. And like always, keep drawing, and until next time, bye!